Welcome to our countdown of the most anticipated skyscrapers set to grace our skylines in 2025 and beyond. From Shanghai to Dubai, a new generation of super-tall structures is poised to redefine our cities and transform urban living. These architectural marvels are pushing the boundaries of design and engineering, reaching for the heavens while striving for sustainability and innovation. Our journey begins in Shanghai, a city synonymous with architectural ambition and relentless innovation. Here a new icon is taking shape. The Jade Dragon, a marvel of modern engineering. This skyscraper with its dragon-inspired design will pierce the clouds at over 600 meters, making it one of the tallest buildings in the world. Clad in shimmering green glass, the Jade Dragon promises to be a beacon of modernity and sustainability. Inside, it will be a vertical city, housing thousands of residents, office workers and shoppers all under one roof. High-speed elevators and sky gardens will offer respite from the urban jungle below, providing a unique blend of nature and technology. Our next stop is Dubai, a city known for architectural audacity. From the tallest skyscrapers to the most luxurious hotels, Dubai never ceases to amaze. Here, amidst the desert, a new wonder is taking root, the Oasis Tower. This isn't just another high-rise, it's a vision of the future. This skyscraper with its biosphere-inspired design will be a true oasis in the city. Its innovative architecture integrates nature into urban living. Its stacked, verdant oases serve as natural filters, purifying the air and providing shade. These green terraces are not just for show, they are functional ecosystems. Imagine stepping out of your office into a lush garden, hundreds of feet above the desert floor. It's a sanctuary in the sky. The Oasis Tower is a testament to the power of design to create a harmonious relationship between humanity and nature. It symbolizes a new era of sustainable urban development. Our next stop is Singapore, a city-state at the forefront of sustainable urban design. Here, a new landmark is taking shape. The Emerald City. This project is a cluster of interconnected towers draped in a living tapestry of trees and plants. The thousands of trees will provide respite from the city's heat and act as natural air filters. The Emerald City is a bold experiment in urban living, enhancing our cities and our lives. Our journey now takes us to New York City, where architectural ambition soars. Here, a new giant is preparing to make its mark, the Sky Piercer. This slender tower seems to pierce the heavens, reaching for the clouds with grace. Engineers are employing cutting-edge modular construction techniques. Prefabricated off-site, these giant Lego blocks are lifted into place with precision. The Sky Piercer is a testament to human ingenuity, building taller, more efficient and sustainable cities. Our final destination is Helsinki, where architectural beauty and cultural heritage intertwine seamlessly. This city, known for its innovative design and rich history, is about to welcome a new icon. Here, a new landmark is set to grace the skyline. The heart of Helsinki. This skyscraper, with its central location, aims to become a cultural hub, bringing together the old and the new. Its sleek design incorporates elements of traditional Finnish architecture, paying homage to the city's heritage. Inside it will be a vibrant cultural hub, home to theaters, art galleries, and performance spaces. Imagine a place where creativity thrives and communities come together. The heart of Helsinki aspires to be more than just a skyscraper, but a true destination for connection and inspiration, a place where the spirit of Helsinki can truly take flight. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of our urban landscapes. From the Jade Dragon to the Oasis Tower, these marvels offer a glimpse into a future where cities are vibrant, vertical ecosystems. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain, the future of our cities is reaching for the sky.